Let's look at some examples where we are going to use the power rule to differentiate each function. In our first example, we are given that f of x is equal to x raised to the 65th power, and we want to find the derivative. We're going to write this as f prime of x is the derivative with respect to x of x to the 65. Using the power rule, we are going to take the 65 that's in the exponent, pull it out in front, and then multiply it by x to the 65 minus 1. So you're going to subtract 1 from your exponent. This gives us 65x to the 64th power. And that's our derivative. Let's look at our next example. In this example, we have f of t is equal to 1 divided by t. Let's start by writing f prime at t is the derivative with respect to t of 1 divided by t. We can only use the power rule when our function is raised to an exponential. So what we have to do before we take the derivative is rewrite 1 over t in terms of t raised to a power. This is going to be d dt of t to the minus 1. See how we just now have t raised to a power? Now we can use the power rule. We're going to bring down the power, so we have a minus 1 times t, and then we're going to subtract 1 from our exponent, and this gives us minus t to the minus 2. And I'm going to write this answer then as minus 1 all over t squared. It's a really good practice to put your answer in the same form as the function that you're given. Let's now look at our third example. This one is g of x is equal to the square root of x. We're going to write the derivative as g prime of x is equal to derivative with respect to x of root x. To apply the power rule, we need to write the square root of x as x raised to a power. So we're going to write this as d dx of x to the 1/2. Now we can go ahead and apply the power rule. We bring down the exponent, and then we have x to the 1/2 minus 1. This is 1/2 x to the minus 1/2, which is 1 all over 2 times x to the 1/2. I'm bringing that power down in the denominator. Now then, let's write our answer as 1 over 2 square root of x, because we had a square root of x in our original function. And that's our final answer. Let's look at one more. For this one, we have the function y is equal to x to the minus 1/3. We're going to take the derivative, so we're going to write this as dy dx is the derivative with respect to x of x to the minus 1/3. Our x is already raised to a power, so we don't have to do anything more. Now we just have to apply the power rule. We'll bring down our exponent, minus 1/3, and this gets multiplied by x to the minus 1/3, and we're going to subtract 1. So this is minus 1/3 x to the minus 4/3, and that's our final answer. And it's in a similar form to our original problem.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.